Our top story this afternoon, the South Korean government has said it will minimize future discomfort that may arise from vaccine pass mandates. This comes as the country continues to debate the implementation of vaccine passes at educational facilities. Meanwhile, Wednesday's daily tally jumped from Tuesday, but it seems that an overall decline in the number of cases is now evident. Choi Min-jung has the story.
The South Korean government has vowed to minimize any inconveniences that may arise due to the vaccine pass system amid the country's struggle against pushback over vaccine pass mandates.
The government introduced the vaccine pass policy last November in a bid to protect the unvaccinated, curb the spread of the virus, and secure adequate medical capacity. We will try to relieve any discomfort that may arise regarding the passes in the future.
This comes as a South Korean court on Tuesday suspended vaccine pass mandates for cram schools, study cafes, and other education facilities. This is the very first court ruling to put the brakes on the government's vaccine policy. The court ruled that the system infringes on the rights of the unvaccinated to learn. It added that it is hard to see that unvaccinated people pose any more risk in these facilities, considering the number of breakthrough infections among vaccinated people. Following the decision, the government expressed regret, saying it will appeal the ruling. Officials stressed that the pass is needed to protect the unvaccinated, as data shows that those who haven't received jabs are more likely to face critical illness after contracting the virus. However, for the time being, the need for vaccine passes at educational facilities will be suspended until the actual trial takes place at a later date. The final ruling on the vaccine pass mandate is critical as the government plans to expand the vaccine pass mandate to teenagers starting March. Meanwhile, South Korea is seeing an overall decline in the number of infections. The country on Wednesday confirmed 4,444 new COVID-19 cases, up by more than 1,400 cases from Tuesday. However, compared to last Wednesday, cases have dropped by almost 1,000. The number of critically ill patients stood at 953, the lowest figure in 2 weeks. The occupancy rate for ICU beds fell below 60% for the first time in 50 days. Choi Min-jung, Arirang News.